So depending on what the carrier preferences are, versus 5, 10, or 15% for roof waste, we allow those options in the replace existing. So as you replace a given roof, the roof waste is going to be calculated, or going to be able to be applied just below the quality of the roof. So those are going to go in increments of 5, just as it would in Xactimate. And this is only in the case that auto waste is not applied. So I'll show you how to set auto waste if it's turned on in the carrier profile. But I can go ahead and add 10% waste to this roof, or if there's quite a bit of lines, I can now go up to 15. And then that's going to automatically calculate the replacement of that roof for the appropriate material. So if I have auto waste set, I can set it in. I can still set it in the control center, or I can go into options, and then preferences. Select auto defaults for roof waste, and what I want to, how I want that to apply. Let's say this is a closed cut valley, and then apply that. Go back into the Geomni items tab, and the roof waste question is removed. So it's not, if it's auto waste, we are not going to ask you about the roof waste. If auto waste is not applied, then the questions for waste will have to be answered.